Hey guys, Jason Catron here.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, my lips tickle. Do your lips tickle when you do that?
I don't have lipstick on.
Lips tickle.
Oh.
No, do your lips tickle?
Well, you said Vocal Lab, and I thought you said lipstickle.
Anyways.
What are we doing today, Katie?
We are reacting to Luis Miguel.
La Incondicional, which stands for
The
lip tickle.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, let's just dive right in.
Oh, let's go. He's super popular. You guys know him. He's world famous.
Ooh, are we
oh, this is like
Top Gun.
Yeah.
Look at this hair.
Oh,
look
God.
At this hair.
Oh my God, this is old school. I love it. Oh, he's gonna get his hair done.
Oh, he's hot. He's hot.
So hot.
Yeah. This is not a bad video. I encourage everyone to watch.
Katie's 100% approval rating. And you love an army.
Do I?
I like that car.
It's funny how they didn't edit that sound.
I know. I'm good.
Whoa. That's what I do when I see letters from you.
Oh wow, there's a lot of falling.
He's falling in love. Like unconditional love.
Oh, I get it now.
I eat straw too when I get letters from you. It makes me want to just put a bra on and just
Eat straw.
eat straw. A lot of action in this, in every single way.
Oh, I'm dizzy. His eyes are.
He is
Killer.
a stud.
It's very throwback. You're right, to like a Top Gun or.
I mean, he's out on the field and writing her letters. Like, it takes unconditional love for that.
Of course, it has to.
That's a hard thing. It's a very hard thing. His family sacrifice a lot.
Yeah. Oh, so pretty.
Nice.
That tone is really good. Remember that time I had a falcon I carried around town? That was cool. Wow, that tone's so good.
Is he looking for her and he can't find her?
I think so. Oh, they found each other.
No, that's there. They didn't find each other in present time.
Oh, that was before.
Uh-oh, her parents don't agree.
Whoa, good note. Is that a C?
Wait a second, do they not get together?
I'm not real sure. I'm kind of like, wow, What did we just watch?
I don't know, but here's one thing. Incredible vocals, right? Like,
So good.
really great
Yeah.
vocals.
And his voice is incredible.
But here's one thing that I will say. The video distracted me completely from that.
It really did. And guess what? This was probably done in late 90s, early 2000s,
Yeah.
I'm guessing.
Probably after Top Gun came out.
Yeah, because it has that vibe to it.
Yeah.
They spent a crap ton of money on this video.
I mean, when you're flying military
like fighter
jets.
that costs so much money.
But they also didn't edit the sound out
No, you're right.
of the video.
The video distracted.
They made more of a movie than a music video.
Yeah, and I'm left not knowing what happened.
Yeah, there was no conclusion.
Like,
so amazing, great notes. He's hot, really hot. So, when you're...
He can sing like
He can
a
sing,
rock
so
star.
people are
He
going
is
to
a
pay
rock
attention
star.
to him. Yeah.
They got money.
But I
We
didn't
get that,
love the
but-
video for that. And now I want
I
to...
agree.
There better be a part 2.
I agree, and maybe that's the point from this one. You can have all the money in the world. You can have all the looks in the world. You can have all the followers in the world.
But apparently you can't get unconditional love with it. Because he never got his unconditional love.
Cheers. All that
But
to
she
say.
was in her undergarments, her hair was big, and she was doing this. She wanted to give it to him, but she just couldn't.
Maybe that's what that jet rising was to simplify. Or, not simplify. Simplify. Maybe she did get it and we just don't know.
Well,
maybe
in the end, though,
maybe
you see
the
how her
jet
parents...
was like her getting it.
Someone's parents didn't agree with the...
But do parents ever agree with you get it?
Mine did, at least. So, anyways, I'm Katie Talbot.
She got 2 kids, and I'm Jason Catron, and we are Vocal Lab Collective.
You're so tall and up right now.
Well, you're so chesty. Bestie.